time we're going to add both hands together, and that's what this level's all about. Can you get the right hand to work with the left hand? Right hand good voice leading, left hand rolling bass. Let's try playing through that chorus. One time, all 12 measures using good voice leading in the right hand, rolling, rocking left hand. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready for that C chord. Woo. And back to the 1 chord. That's a G. Get ready for that D chord. And now that C chord. Now look at me go to the G chord and back to the D chord. And all again. Let's try that again. Doesn't that rock and bass sound cool? You dig? Back to the 1 chord. Now to the 5 chord.